Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Riot Games team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. You can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and proceeding forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to seek support due to any issues from Riot Games, then scroll all the way down from the homepage and then click on Player Support. You will then be taken into the support page. Now, you will find the support tools, which has various different options from which you can choose your appropriate problem. If you don't find your issue listed, scroll all the way down and click on Submit a Ticket. You will now be asked to choose the game with which you wish to submit a ticket. Click on the respective game and then choose your request type. Now, from the request type option, click on the drop-down menu and then choose the appropriate issue. And now you will be allowed to send your ticket. Just choose your subject of inquiry and choose the further details. Finally, you can type in your subject of your issue and then describe it within the description section. You can also add an attachment by uploading an image within the attachment section. After entering all of your information, click on the submit button and this will send your support ticket to the Riot Games team right away. You will then need to wait for a few days, after which you will receive a response, which you can follow and you will get the relevant support. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team of Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.